Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, press power key and volume up, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power and volume down. And there we go. So this is Fastboot mode as well as bootloader mode in Motorola's eyes. So right here you'll see that it says that we're basically in a Fastboot mode. But if we go to recovery mode and we select restart or reboot to bootloader, it will take us back here as well. So yeah, there we go. That is how you would boot into it. We have a couple of options accessible to us right here. So you can only see one at a time right here. So start is the default one, which will take us back to Android. Then we navigate through the other options using volume keys. So we have restart bootloader, which will take us back to here. So basically does nothing. We have recovery mode, power off, bootloader logs, barcodes, and back to start. Now whatever you have selected, you'll then confirm using using the power key. And I just confirmed start, which, like I mentioned, takes me back to Android. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.